Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to post a photo on the X, formerly known as Twitter, app on your PC, using the latest update. Whether you're sharing a thought, a meme, or a snapshot from your day, this quick guide will help you do it in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to sign in with your account so you can access your home feed. Once you're inside the app, you'll see your timeline and several icons at the bottom of the screen. To begin creating a new post, click inside the Compose box at the top of your feed. You can also click the blue Post button. It looks like a plus sign to open a fresh post window. Now it's time to add your photo. Look for the small gallery or image icon, usually located right below the text box. Click on it. A file window will pop up, showing the folders and files stored on your computer. From there, find the photo you want to share. It could be in your Downloads folder, Pictures folder, or anywhere you've saved it. Select the image you want, then click Open. The photo will automatically appear inside your post preview. Before posting, you can type a message to go along with your photo. Maybe it's a caption, a quick thought, or a few hashtags to help others find your post. You can also add more than one image if you'd like. Just click the gallery icon again to include additional photos. When you're done, take a moment to review everything. Make sure your text looks right and the photo appears the way you want it to. Then, simply click the Post button. That's it. Your photo is now live on X and visible to your followers. It's an easy and clean process that's become even smoother with the new update. Thanks for watching.